Determine which of the 4 levels of measurement applies to these 4 different situations. Here's the 4 different levels of measurement. We have nominal, that is categories only, like a list of names or labels in no particular order. We have ordinal, which is a ranking or rating of systems, so there is some kind of order to it, but if you take the difference between 2 data points, it doesn't make any sense. Interval would be like a list of numbers that are in certain intervals of numbers, but there's no 0 starting point, and if you create a ratio between the 2 numbers, it doesn't make any sense. And then we have ratio, which does have a 0 starting point, and if you do make a ratio out of the data values, it does make sense. All right, let's look at each of these 4 and figure out which one applies. Number 1, a list of states in the USA. This is categories, just a list of states, a list of names in no particular order, so that is nominal. Number 2, a ranking of colleges by enrollment. So we have a list of college names in a particular order by enrollments. Whenever you see a ranking or a rating of something, this is ordinal. Number 3, temperatures of 10 different substances. Now this one's going to be interval. Temperatures are in intervals of equal spaces, but there's no 0 starting points. You can go below 0 and above 0, negative temperatures and above. So this would be interval. That's if it's, degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. There's no 0 starting point on the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. And the last one, the time to run a mile for 8 runners. Now the time starts at a particular starting point, 0. So this is going to be ratio. Remember, ratio has a 0 starting point. So the last one here is ratio. There you go.